coming all the way from Ghana to grace the occasion. We love you so much. God bless you. Hajia for real. Mona. Say what? Glaston, Akwaboah, and all those of you who came from London, Ghana to London, we're so grateful. I see Osa Special from Toulouse, France. Ghana Music Awards France, you're here. And of course, half man, half bosom, the one and only Mr. A+. Right, so ladies and gentlemen,
Akwaboah featuring Zena Soul. The Stranded Army now sponsored by
GMA UK, our music, our culture.
And ladies and gentlemen, all the people that were nominated deserve